I did a first time reaction to Avenged Sevenfold a few months ago, 3 months ago. It wasn't a long time ago, but it wasn't recently. And you guys really liked it. I was very intrigued, so I thought I'd do another one. The song I did before was called So Far Away, but today I thought we'd take a look at Hail to the King. This is a 5-minute music video, but it's all good, I don't mind. And of course, can we guess the beverage of today? Tis a coffee, but not just a coffee, and Starbucks cafe latte. I probably drink about 3 of these a day. It's a real problem. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. I just typed in Hail to the King in my search bar, like my laptop search bar. Like girl. I can't hear anything. Is it muted? I can play guitar like that. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I love a black and white music video. Stupid talent, fucking stupid talent. Like, I'm sorry, just listen. I could listen to this like forever. Just that continuously, just the guitars.
There's a taste of fear when the henchmen call. I am fist to tame the limb. I am fist to claim it all. Hail to the king.
was so freaking cool. Oh, my guy's got wings. Okay, Lucifer. Okay. I don't know if this is a popular opinion or not, because obviously I'm not sort of involved in the Avenged Sevenfold fan world, universe situation. I did like this song. Hail to King is a good song. I like the music video. The vocals, insane. The instrumental, the guitars, yeah, insane. It's been a while since I've listened to So Far Away, because honestly I haven't listened to it since I did the video watching it for the first time. But I feel like I remember enjoying that a lot more than this song. Not that this isn't as good, it's just I think for me So Far Away is more my kind of vibe. I did really enjoy it. I would still listen to this very happily and vibe, and I've got nothing bad to say about it. I enjoyed the song, it's a good song. I just think for me So Far Away was more my kind of thing. I'm not saying it was better, it's just more of my kind of thing, if that makes sense. Is that okay? I don't know. The thing is, you guys get so like on it with how you feel about your bands and your artists, and I love that for you. But if I don't like it, it doesn't mean that I don't appreciate the talent it takes. It just means that it's not really my kind of thing to listen to, and that's okay. I'm sure like hardly any of the people watching this channel would enjoy any of my go-to music taste, which is Taylor Swift. Realistically, my kind of music is literally, let me go onto my Spotify playlist. Anything Taylor Swift does, masterpiece. I've got a few songs from Maisie Peters on here, Avril Lavigne, Youngblood, Nicki DeMar, Machine Gun Kelly, Olivia Rodrigo, Sabrina Carpenter, amazing artist, and honestly more just Taylor Swift, Taylor Swift, Taylor Swift, Taylor Swift. And the occasional other one, like I've got DNA by Liam Marie Johnson, Little Mix, Scouting for Girls. Like I've got a mixture. It's just Taylor Swift is my go-to. Most of the people that watch these videos would not be enjoying Taylor Swift, and that's okay. But yeah, overall, like the video, like the song, nothing I would thought. I just think I preferred So Far Away, but that's okay. If you haven't seen my first time reaction to Avenged Sevenfold, I'll put it on screen now, and I will see you when I see you.